Hello students, welcome to the third lecture of differentiability. At first I want to polish, I want to active your minds by discussing the previous concepts. Now what are the previous concepts? Differentiable implies continuous. Differentiable implies continuous. It means if the function is differentiable, then the function is continuous. So if we checked the differentiability of the function, if it is differentiable, then it is not need to check for continuous. Differentiable implies continuous. Not continuous implies not differentiable. If you check the function is not continuous, then need not to check for differentiability. It is obviously not differentiable. And not differentiable, then may or may not continuous. In this case, if a function is not differentiable, in this case we have to check for continuity. These are the previous concepts which are read. Note 1. Mode of f of x is differentiable for f of x not equal to 0, or that is to say, or we can say not differentiable for f of x is equal to 0. Clear? Example. Write the values of x for which mode of x minus 1 plus mode of x minus 2 is not differentiable. So answer is, for x is equal to 1, this will be 0, and for x is equal to, this will be 0. So not differentiable means x minus 1 is equal to 0, x minus 2 is equal to 0, that implies x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. Therefore for x is equal to 1, 2, mode of x minus 1 plus mode of x minus 2 is not differentiable. Clear? Another example. Mode of x squared minus 1 is not differentiable for x is equal to dash. this is not differentiable. What is answer here? This is not differentiable. This if x square minus 1 is equal to 0, that implies x square is equal to 1. So x is equal to plus or minus 1. For plus or minus 1, this function is not differentiable. So answer is what? Minus 1 or plus or minus 1. Another question. Write the point of where, write the points or write the values of x. Example 3. Write the values of x. Write the values of x for which mode of sin x is not differentiable. So answer is, that is a mode of sin x. We know sin n pi is equal to 0. We know if x is in n pi, we know that is, we know sin x is equal to 0 implies x is equal to n pi, n belongs to z. So for x, therefore for x is equal to n pi, mode of sin x is not differentiable. Not differentiable. Clear? Now note number 2. Note number 2. Bracketed f of x. Bracketed f of x is not differentiable. Not differentiable if the values of x for which f of x belongs to z, set of integer, and it is differentiable for values of x for which f of x not belongs to z. F of x not belongs to z. It is differentiable when f of x is not belongs to z, values of x for which f of x not belongs to z. But it is not differentiable for the values of x such that f of x is equal to integer. Clear? Now let's see some example. Write the values of x for which bracketed 3x minus 4 is not differentiable. So answer is, solution is bracketed 3x minus 4 is not differentiable if 3x minus 4 is an integer. Clear? That implies let 3x minus 4 is equal to, suppose n, where n belongs to z, and 3x is equal to what? N plus 4, and x is equal to what? N plus 4 by 3. That is, if n is equal to 0, x is equal to what? 4 by 3. N equal to 1, x is equal to 5 by 3. N equal to 2, x is equal to what? 6 by 3, that is 2, etc. Similarly, if n is equal to minus 1, if n is equal to minus 1, then this is x is equal to what? 1. If n is equal to minus 2, x is equal to what? 2 by 3. X is equal to 2 by 3. If n is equal to minus 3, means x is equal to 1 by 3, etc. This is the general values and this is the particular values, list of values. Okay. Second example of note 2. Write the values of x for which bracketed x square is not differentiable on minus 2 to plus 2. On minus 2 to plus 2. On, suppose this is minus 1 to plus 1. So, solution is bracketed x square is not differentiable for x square is equal to integer. Suppose x square is equal to, let x square equal to n belongs to z, or x is equal to what? Plus or minus root n. X is equal to plus or minus root n. Here, if n is equal to 0, so x is equal to what? X is equal to what? 0. N equal to 1, x is equal to what? X is equal to what? 1. If n is equal to minus 1, then it is not differentiable or not defined. So these are the only one value. That is 0 is the only one value, because here minus 1 exclude, plus 1 is exclude. So this is excluded. So what is answer here? For x is equal to 0, bracketed x square is not differentiable. Okay. Note 3. Every polynomial function is continuous and differentiable everywhere. Means for all x, everywhere means for all x belongs to R. Everywhere means for all x belongs to R. This is for all sign, symbol of for all. For all x belongs to R. Then note number 4. A to the power x, where a to the x, where a greater than 0 is differentiable for all x belongs to R, means everywhere. Then another note 5, constant function and identity function, constant function and identity function is differentiable everywhere, are differentiable everywhere. Okay. Another note, log of f of x, log of f of x is differentiable if f of x greater than 0. F of x greater than 0. Example, write the values of x. Write the values of x for which log of x square minus 1 is differentiable. X square minus 1 is differentiable. So solution is log of x square minus 1 is differentiable if x square minus 1 greater than 0. X square minus 1 greater than 0. That implies x minus 1 or x plus 1 into x minus 1 should be greater than 0. Drawing number line minus infinity plus infinity, this is x plus 1 is equal to 0 suppose. So x is equal to minus 1, this is x is equal to plus 1. Put a number greater than 1. Suppose 2. Here put 2. 2 square minus 1, that is 4 minus 1, 3. So after 1, the values of x greater than 1, the expression is positive. If one sign is determined, then obviously its opposite sign minus and this is plus. So we require positive only. So where is positive sign here? This is positive sign and this is positive sign. So that is for x belongs to minus infinity minus 1 union 1 to infinity log of x square minus 1 is differentiable. Is differentiable. Another question, another example of note 6. Write the values of x. Write the condition that another example, write the condition that f log of 4 minus x square is differentiable. Log of 4 minus x 4 minus x square is differentiable. So answer is log of 4 minus x square is differentiable if 4 minus x square greater than 0, and that is here solve this. 4 minus x square is equal to 0, that is x is equal to x square is equal to 4, x is equal to plus or minus 2. This is our rough work. So draw the number line. This is minus infinity and this is plus infinity. Put here minus 2, put here plus 2. Now we determine the sign of the expression. How to determine? Choose a number greater than 2, that is 3. Choose a number greater than, our expression is 4 minus x square, clear? Choose a number greater than 2, that is 3. 4 minus 9. 4 minus x square means 4 minus 9. That is negative. Obviously opposite side. Put here plus. This is minus. Or you can determine a number between minus 2 to plus 2. Suppose 0. Put here 0. X equal to 0. For positive. For if x is a number lies between minus 2 to plus 2. Put here 4 minus x square. Then suppose x is equal to 0. This is positive. So which region this should be positive? This region it is positive. So log of 4 minus x square is differentiable if x belongs to minus 2, 2. Clear? Then another note. Every function is differentiable at their domains. So all trigonometric functions, inverse trigonometric functions, these trigonometric functions are differentiable at their respective domains. Okay. Now algebra of differentiability. Algebra of differentiability. Okay. If f and g are two differentiable functions at x is equal to a, then number 1, f plus or minus g is also differentiable at x is equal to a. Second bit, f into g are also differentiable at x is equal to a. Third bit, f by g are also differentiable at at x is equal to a, provided g of a not equal to 0. Number 4, composite of f and g are also differentiable at x is equal to a. Clear? The question is, if f is differentiable at x is equal to a, then show that limit x tends to a, x square f of a minus a square f of x divided by x minus a is equal to a into f of a minus a square into f dash a. Given solution, given f is differentiable at x is equal to a, that is f dash a is equal to limit x tends to a f of x minus f of a divided by x minus a exists and finite. Now limit x tends to a x square f of a minus a square into f of x divided by x minus a. If x is equal to a, you put x is equal to a, then this is 0 and this is 0. So this is 0 by 0 form. We cannot put directly x is equal to a. We have to modify and we have to adjust some plus or minus, doing plus or minus. We try to cancel the factor where the denominator becomes 0. So due to x tends to a, due to this factor, this is its denominator is equal to 0. So try to cancel the term x minus a. So what is, we can write limit x tends to a x square into f of a minus a square into f of what? A square into f of a minus here also plus a square into f of a minus a square into f of x divided by x minus a. Here this term subtracted and then add, so to balance, and this is equal to what? And this is equal to limit x tends to a x square into f of a minus a square into f of a divided by x minus a plus limit x tends to a square into f of a minus a square into f of x divided by x minus a. Clear? So this is equal to limit x tends to a, take f of a common, this is equal to what? X square minus a square divided by x minus a, and here a square common, limit x tends to a square into f of a minus f of x divided by x minus a. So what it will be, since f of a is constant, take common out, f of a into limit x tends to a x square minus a square divided by x minus a, take minus common here and minus a square, limit x tends to a, this is f of x minus f of a divided by x minus a. Clear? And this is equal to f of a into limit x tends to a. This is x minus a into x plus a divided by x minus a minus a square. This is what is formula. This is f dash a. X minus a goes cancel. Put x is equal to a here. So f of a into this is a plus a, and this is a square into f dash a. Now a plus a 2a into f of what? f of a 2a f of a minus a square into f dash a. This is proved. Okay. One question. If f of 2 equal to 4, f dash 2 equal to 1, then find limit x tends to x into f of 2 minus 2fx divided by x minus 2. Given solution, given f of 2 is equal to 4 and f dash 2 is equal to what? 1. Here now limit x tends to what? To x into f of 2 minus 2 into f of x by x minus 2. If put x is equal to 2 here, 2f2 minus 2f2 is equal to 0, and this is denominator is also 0, so it is 0 by 0. So we cannot put directly x is equal to a, x is equal to 2. This is direct substitution method is not applicable here. We have to try. We try to cancel this x minus 2. How to cancel x minus 2? Now try. Limit x tends to 2 x into f of 2 minus, suppose you can write here 2 into f of 2. So f of 2 can common. So x minus 2 can be cancelled. X minus this 2 into what? F of 2 here plus 2 into f of 2 to balance the term, and this is minus 2fx divided by x minus 2. So which can be written as limit x tends to 2 and x into f of 2 minus 2 into f of 2 divided by 2 into f of 2 divided by x minus 2 plus limit x tends to what? 2 into f of 2 minus 2 into f of x divided by what? X minus 2. Now this is equal to what? Now like this, from this here common f of 2. F of 2 into what? Limit x tends to 2 x minus 2 by x minus 2. Here minus, suppose 2 common, minus 2 limit x tends to 2. This is f of x minus f of 2 divided by x minus 2. So this cancel, f of 2 minus 2 into what is formula for this? F dash 2. F dash 2. So what is value of f of 2? You are given f of 2 equal to what? 4 minus f dash 2 what? F dash 2 is equal to what? F dash 2 equal to 1. This value is 1. Minus 2 into 1, which is equal to 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. This is your answer. This is your answer. Clear? Test the continuity and differentiability of f of x is equal to x minus a. This is question number 3. X minus a into sin a 1 by x minus a, x not equal to a 0. If x equal to a is at x equal to a. For test for differentiability. Test for differentiability. Clear? Test for differentiability. Now test for differentiability. Differentiability. F of x is equal to what? f of x is equal to x minus a into sin 1 by x minus a if x not equal to a. Clear? Now, and this is f of a is equal to what? And f of a is equal to, given f of a is equal to 0. For LSD f dash a minus, which is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of a minus h minus f of a divided by what? Minus h. So f dash a minus is equal to limit h tends to 0, here put x is equal to a minus h. So here x, a minus h minus what? A into sin 1 by a minus h minus a minus f of a means 0 divided by what? Minus h. So minus a plus a goes cancel, that is equal to limit h tends to 0 minus h into sin of minus 1 by h, minus a plus a goes cancel, divided by minus h. So which is equal to limit h tends to 0 minus h goes cancel, this is equal to sin minus of sin 1 by h minus sin 1 by h. This is not exist, not a definite number, that is minus sin infinity, not a definite number, that is number lies between numbers, not definite number, which is numbers lies minus 1 to plus 1, not fixed. So left hand limit doesn't exist. Since LSD does not exist, therefore f of x is not differentiable at x is equal to a. Now test for continuity. Test for continuity. Limit LHL limit x tends to a minus means not equal to x minus a into sin 1 by x minus a. Put x is equal to a here, 0 into a number, 0 into sin what? Sin infinity, that is a number, 0 into a number lies between minus 1 to plus 1, which is equal to 0. Similarly RHL is equal to limit x tends to what? 0 a plus, this is equal to x minus a into sin 1 by x minus a, this is equal to 0 into a number lies between minus 1 to plus 1. So answer is 0. Here f of 0 is equal to LHF. Also f of 0 is equal to f of a is equal to what? F of a equal to 0. So LHL equal to RHL equal to f of a is equal to 0. Therefore f of x is continuous at x is equal to a. Clear? Minus 1 to plus 1, not fixed. So left hand limit doesn't exist. So left hand limit doesn't exist since LSD does not exist. Therefore, f of x is not differentiable at x is equal to a. Now test for continuity. Test for continuity. Limit LHL limit x tends to a minus means not equal to x minus a into sine 1 by x minus a. Put x is equal to a here. 0 into a number 0 into sine what? Sine infinity, that is a number 0 into a number lies between minus 1 to plus 1, which is equal to 0. Similarly RHL is equal to limit x tends to what? 0 a plus, this is equal to x minus a into sine 1 by x minus a. This is equal to 0 into a number lies between minus 1 to plus 1. So answer is 0. Here f of 0 is equal to LHF. Also f of 0 is equal to f of a is equal to what? F of a equal to 0. So LHL equal to RHL equal to f of a is equal to 0. Therefore f of x is continuous at x is equal to a. Clear? Another question, test for differentiability and continuity. This function here f of x is equal to sin x square by x, f of 0 equal to 0. Now test for differentiability. Okay, LSD f dash 0 minus, that is equal to limit s tends to 0 f of 0 minus h minus f of 0 divided by minus h. So limit h tends to 0, this is equal to what? Sin 0 minus h whole square by 0 minus h minus f of 0 means what? 0 divided by here what? Minus h. So this is equal to limit h tends to 0 sin h square by minus h into minus h, that is h square, which is equal to 1. Similarly here now RHD f dash 0 plus limit h tends to 0 f of 0 plus h minus f of 0 divided by h. So limit h tends to 0, put 0 plus h here, sin 0 plus h whole square minus f of 0 means 0 divided by h, divided by here 0 plus h whole divided by h now. So limit h tends to 0 sin h square h into h square. So this is equal to what? 1. So LSD is equal to RHD is equal to 1. Therefore f of x is differentiable at x is equal to 0. That implies f of x is continuous. continuous at x is equal to 0. If the function is differentiable at x is equal to a particular point, then need not to check difference for continuous. For the relationship between differentiability and continuous, if a function is differentiable, then the function is continuous. Okay. Now, so the differentiability chapter is completed.